What are you going to do with it? Okay, we'll do our ensaymada. Okay, punch down. Okay, after punching, form the dough into a log, into logs. So it's easier for us to portion our ensaymada. Okay. Today we're going to make ensaymada filled with this different spreads. Today we're going to fill our ensaymada with this different fillings. So we have peanut butter, cheese, jam, and chocolate spread. So first we're going to spread peanut butter. Okay, you just have to roll. Okay, roll our ensaymada. Be careful, and then you just have to twist. Okay, and so here it is. We have to put it in our mold. We are going to carefully twist. Again, you just have to twist our dough. Okay. Appears from the polling that there will be a change in presidency, and then roll again. Biden has stated would restore America's okay, that's it. Partnerships to try this jam. Actually, this jam was made by my food processing students. We're going to try this to be the filling of our ensaymada. This cheese spread. I think there is a managed and productive relationship. There are many risks to try then this, again, we are going to roll this. To multilateralism and to test alliances roll. That of course continues. And but then again, roll it again to make our classic ensaymada. Okay, here we go. Just like a scroll. He said to me, look, everybody's waiting for November. That's what we're waiting for. This coconut jam. You know what? I love eating coco jam. Okay. So we can use this also as our filling. Ooh. Oh, no. I mean, look, we need partnerships with Russia and China. We need then roll it again. Strategic allies. No, there's no forming them into small balls. Okay, for it to make a flower. A change in the UK status. No longer obliged to European Union rules, it is designed to place human rights front and centre of a new British policy. I think, Tommy, was very key in this, where the end of the by just simply forming, okay, dividing the dough into three, binding them together, and here we have our what we call clover leaf. A long-awaited action against is by simply rolling it into long log like this, and then making it into a rope. Okay, rolling into a rope like this, and then after rolling, twist. Okay, and okay, so here we have a rose-like ensaymada. The sanctions target those at the heart of Russia's interior ministry, such as Oleg Savchenko, accused of being responsible for the death of Sergei Magnitsky. The Russian another is after alleging that Russian officials were involved in large-scale tax fraud. By simply twisting our ensaymada into a knot.
Okay, it's decoration time. So we're going to use our clean, sharp scissors to decorate all of this. Okay, just use your imagination. Okay, for this one, I do not know what's the feeling of this. I'm just going to cut this into the sides. Okay, to show some of the filling. Okay, then open. For this, I'll just open the top. Okay, I'll just cut the top. Okay, with this, I'll just cut the upper portion. Okay, then with this, the sides. Okay, one more. One. Oh, there's jam. Okay. Oh, that will show the jam. Let me see. This one. Okay. So, after putting the filled ensaymada, you can just give it a decoration. With the help of our scissors. You can just cut. Okay. This one. It embodies the computer revolution, but it has a serious handicap. Into four. And the person who has the solution. Oh, one more. By simply cutting the sides, you give it a design. Ooh, the feeling oozes out. So they began looking around for another version of BASIC that ran on the chip that the Apple II used. And Microsoft was a company that had it. So they got in touch. With this, you can show the filling. Okay, we're done. Microsoft supplies were the Apple II. This is the first collaboration between okay, our finished product. We will let it rise until double. Okay? So we made all of this. Oh, bread with different designs. So you can really incorporate art in food. It doubled. Okay, we're going to brush it with egg wash. It's a combination of milk and egg white or egg yolk. And it's ready for our oven. So we are going to bake our ensaymada here. Okay, this is my oven, an industrial oven. Okay, we're going to wait. We're going to preheat it. And we have to set. Okay, we have to wait for at least 400 degrees. So we have to preheat our oven just at least few minutes before we put our ensaymada to save energy, of course. Okay, there you go. So we'll just wait for a few minutes. That after 15 minutes. Okay, so our ensaymada is ready. Ooh, exciting.